This was a very interesting project for us. We had a client with very specific needs, and we knew that they'd be best suited to work with a premium designer such as Michelle. Once we introduced Michelle, it was clear it was a very cohesive relationship between the two, and Michelle will walk you through some of the key characteristics of this design.
Yeah, these incredible clients had a very specific vision of how they wanted the home not only to function, but how they wanted the home to feel. And I think the design direction came from how they live their lifestyle. They are 7th generation farmers. Their daughter will be an 8th generation farmer, and they've always lived on a farm. And they were actually married in a barn on their previous farm, and they wanted to incorporate all of that wood into the home. So we have it on ceiling details, we have it on the walls, we've made furniture out of it, we've made architectural details out of it, and it's really everywhere and sprinkled throughout. And that was their hope, is that this home was not a new build that was planted on a farm, but that it looked like it was always meant to be here and always was here.
Some of those wood elements from design to completion were quite involved and included a lot of parties. You'll see throughout this house with some of the wood ceiling details that they are true wood ceiling details, not faux. Very heavy, very large timber. So from engineering to trades to execution, there was a lot of coordination and a lot of parties involved. But in the end, the final look is absolutely stunning, and with Michelle's help, as well as our trade partners, we were able to achieve the final goal.
I'd say my favorite part about designing this house is that it wasn't a part of my natural aesthetic personally. So I always find that to be just such a fun challenge, to be pushed outside your comfort zone. You know, I visited the old farm, I visited the old barn, I talked to their parents. They're very family oriented. They wanted, you know, previous generations to be incorporated into this home. And so once I was able to get into that mindset, everything flowed really nicely.
This has been a very exciting project with a lot of really unique details that, as Michelle has elaborated, show the warmth, the love, and the heritage. And we hope that it inspires the future generations of this family with their own custom homes, elements that they see here that they want to incorporate into their own design and keep that custom feel going. I'm Philip from Alair Homes.
And I'm Michelle Berwick from Michelle Berwick Design, and this
is Project Montana.